Next, we dive into the concept of slicing. We have our text. We'll take our text called machine learning, and if we want to slice or extract characters from individual characters from this text, we could always do print. We take text and we invoke a square bracket, and if we want to see the first character of that, we use text 0. That will print M. But if we want to extract the first 7 characters in that string, we start at 0 and we end at 7. That will give us the first 7 characters. It's a 0 based. Strings are 0 based characters. That means the first character is at position 0, and this will give 0 to, it will give you the 7 strings, starts from 0 all the way to 6. That's 0 plus starting with 0 and the 6, so total of 7. Okay. Next, if you want to print the second portion, we start at 8 colon, and if we leave the end as empty, it will print everything after the second. So that printed out learning. If we take, if you just give nothing in this in the square brackets, we print the whole string as it is. What if we want to extract a string that skips every other character? So skipping every other character. So we do that by using print text square brackets. We start at the beginning, we go all the way to the end, and we give it a 2. That should give us every other character in. We'll start with M, and then it skipped A, went to the other character C, skipped H, gave us I, skipped N and gave E, and it skipped the spacing, gave us L, skipped E, gave us A, skipped R, gave us N, and it skipped I and gave N, and it ended because there is no other character after G. So that's skipping every other character. If you want to try reversing this strings, we do print text ::(-1).